Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Teams if it's not opening or working. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and give a restart a try. Okay. Just try to restart your device and check if it helps. And if that still won't work, go ahead and find your taskbar right here. Just right click on a blank space. Okay. And then you'll be able to see taskbar or task manager. So just click on it and find Teams. You gotta use the search bar, type it down. If you can spot Teams right here, right click and just click on End Task. All right, close it. And once that's done, gotta go to your search bar and type down %local app data %. Okay, again, %local app data %. So just click on it, wait for it to open and find Microsoft Teams. Okay, find Microsoft first, double click on it, and find Teams. Okay, as you can see, we have two: Teams Meeting Add-in and Teams Meeting Add-in MSIS. So just select both. And once done, just click on Delete. Close this one. Now, before you open up Microsoft Teams, go ahead and check your date and time. Right click on it and just click on Adjust Date and Time. Make sure that you select the correct region right here. Then go ahead and go back. Make sure that both Set Time Zone Automatically and Set Time Automatically are both enabled. And then once it's enabled, click on Sync Now. Wait it to load. And then once it loads, just go ahead and try looking for Microsoft Teams. Then right click on it, and then just click on Run as an Administrator. Click on Yes, as there will be a pop-up. Okay? Wait a bit, and after that, everything should work perfectly fine. Now, that is it. If all else fails, just basically reinstall the app. All right? And that is how you fix a Microsoft Teams if it's not opening or working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.